I got me some Eley high velocity hollow points that I want to test for squirrel hunting ammo. And I made up these targets last night. These circles are 1/4 inch in diameter. And I have a projectile laying next to it to kind of give it some perspective. But for the hunting ammo, I'm going to set it out at 35 yards. Here I'm testing some more hunting ammo. This is Eley high velocity hollow points, 38 grain. And I got the Marlin Model 60 out, and I moved my target up to 35 yards, and I put an orange dot out there to start off with, and I've got 15 rounds loaded up, so let's see what we can do with this, or where it's hitting at least. Shooting at the orange dot first. Not sure where that hit. Thinking it's shooting to the right. Alright, I'm aiming at about 7 o'clock on the edge of that orange dot. Alright, let me move to one of the little 1/4 inch dots. Lower right corner. Alright, I got a piece of a black dot on the far right of the target. Boy, I can't get up to it. Oh, I can't believe I'm out. Well, anyway, this ammo shoots all right. Once I found out it's just a touch high and to the right, and I just held low left, but still on the 1 inch dot. I was just on the edge of the 1 inch dot. So probably a click down and a click left would probably take care of that. But I've got it sighted in with the Aguila ammo. So what I'll do is I'll get that out and shoot a few rounds of that and just see what it does. Alright, this is what I'm sighted in with, so I'm going to shoot just 10 rounds of this to make sure everything is still kosher. And I'm shooting at a 1/4 inch dot at 35 yards. The third one from the right on the very bottom. It looked like it was high. Oh, something's up. Can't tell where I'm hitting. Well, I hit it that time. Probably just needed a couple of fouling rounds, I guess. Try the second dot. A little high. Alright, the far left dot. We'll shoot at the next row up all the way to the right. And all the way to the left. I may be out. Oh, yeah, I'm out. That's it. Alright, once I got a few rounds through the rifle, it shot quite well. I was dead on hitting those little 1/4 inch dots at 35 yards with the Aguila hollow point 22 long rifle, 38 grain, 1280 feet per second. Alright.